Shoot, regular clipping not allowed. You gotta have a 50 plus it 30K up on the mission. I can't let you fuck it up. 100 shots up in the Tahoe truck. Better watch where you.
What's up, YouTube? As y'all see by that thumbnail and that title, man, today I'll be teaching y'all, not even teaching y'all, really showing y'all, not showing either. I'll be telling y'all the best and the fastest ways to make money as a teenager. Personally, I done did some of these, you feel me, make money as a teenager. And yeah, I'm really just put y'all on game. Like, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for real, because I'm really finna put y'all on game, you know. Might do a part 2 to this, for real. Alright, so the best ways, I have five fast and simple ways to make money as a teenager, you feel me? Like, 5 simple ways, simple. Let's get into the first one. I got a little screenshot, matter of fact. I'm gonna put it right here. These are the most 5 simplest ways to make money as a teenager that I've done personally. I mean, it's just easy paper, you feel me? Here goes a screenshot of them, and I'm gonna go through and explain all of them, you feel me? Let's get into it. Number 1 though, sneaker reselling and flipping in general. Sneaker reselling, let's get into it. You could essentially really buy a shoe for $100 to $200. It could be a Jordan, a Yeezy, anything really. It could be a Nike, you feel me? You could buy the shoe. Look at GOAT. I preferably use GOAT. I ain't never really used StockX for market wise, because StockX really just be pricing, taxing, you feel me? I personally use GOAT though. I use GOAT, and what I would do is go in there, look and see how much the shoe going for. If it's DS, if DS means brand new, or if not, it's used. Look and see how much it's going for the used. If it's going for 300 brand new, you feel me, and somebody got it for, let's say realistically 220 used, and on GOAT it's for 260, lowball them, ask the dude for 190, 200, some of them for, you could list them for 260, meet somebody in the middle for 240, 250, you got $50 profit right there, you feel me? That's one of the top things that I did. And like I said, just flipping in general, you could really honestly just buy something, resell it, buy it, resell it, buy it for the low, sell it for a little bit higher, you feel me? And with the sneaker reselling, you don't necessarily have to buy a shoe to get into it. I know some of y'all got some heat in y'all closet. Y'all got some old shoes y'all don't wear no more. Go ahead, clean them up now before you post them. Oh yeah, and when you buy shoes and they a little beat or something, clean them up. Clean them, give them a little scrub, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna increase the value of it, you feel me? And that's honestly, that depends if you can get an extra little buck or 2 in there, you feel me? So that's definitely number 1, sneaker and just flipping in general. Buy it for the low, sell it a little bit higher, you feel me? Number 2, you feel me? Number 2, it ain't really so much as, you know, it's fast money for sure. But it ain't as guaranteed, I say, as flipping and reselling. This one is sports betting. I personally don't do this one. I don't use Prize Picks. And I have my days with Prize Picks, you feel me? I definitely have my days with them. Sometimes it's a good day. Sometimes it ain't, you feel me? Sometimes I'm hitting, and sometimes I'm not, you feel me? It really just all depends on the... It really depends on you. If you're a sports betting person, if not, and you don't necessarily have to watch sports to get into sports betting, because you can join Discords, because I don't really watch sports and I still be hitting sometimes, so I join Discords. I got some homeboys who be on it too. And, hey, what's your picks for today, you feel me? The boys gonna put me on, no cap. I use Prize Picks for the most part, but I just got put on with Sleeper. It's an app called Sleeper. Their payouts are way better, definitely. But if you use Prize Picks, you know, you do got to be 18. Some of y'all probably got an older sibling or something. Maybe your parents even do it for you. But what I will say is, the reason I said it ain't as fast money, you feel me, is because, like I said, you can lose, you can win. But it's also, it's a risk, but it's also about risk management. Man, put in what you're willing to lose, you feel me? You could definitely make some money off of it, but you definitely could lose your money too, so, you know. Do it at your own risk. Do it at your own risk for sure. Number 3 I got for y'all. I got start a business or provide a service. As far as starting a business, I would just say in general, we all got something that we do as a hobby and that we like. You feel me? Keep working on that. Be consistent. Be consistent. Keep going with it, and then slowly or progress. Take your time with it and turn it into a business for sure. Everybody got their own little hobbies and what they like to do on the side and perfecting on their free time. I said keep working on it and see if you could get you some money on for it, you feel me? See if you can get you a little bit of pay for it. And now just number 4. This is what I'm doing. YouTube, I said start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. It ain't easy. It ain't easy, you feel me? You gotta record, edit, make thumbnails. You gotta know how to be, you gotta be consistent for sure. You gotta be consistent. And you gotta get out quality videos. Your video just not gonna blow up overnight. That's another fact. But I said that because YouTube just updated their requirements to 500 subs and like 3,000 watch hours. And if y'all don't know, it was 1,000 subs and like 4,000 watch hours. So they just lowered it for y'all boys. And 500 subs, I feel like a lot of people can hit 500 subs. Ain't nothing. You could. It's really the watch hours that you gotta get. You gotta get people tuned in. You feel me? You gotta get people watching your videos. That's why I'm trying to get y'all tuned in. You feel me? Y'all gotta watch the video all the way through and subscribe, bro. You feel me? Show me y'all support. But definitely, I say start a YouTube channel. And you don't need a camera, all the other stuff. You don't need no money to start a YouTube channel, for real. You don't. You can use your phone. Definitely, you have an iPhone. Put it on 4K in the settings. Boom. You got iMovie, edit on there, you feel me? You don't need the best of the best. And for a thumbnail, you can learn how to make your own, or you could pay somebody. I used to make my own. I might still make them here and there, but I would preferably pay somebody. You can find anybody on Instagram do thumbnails, $5 to $7 at the most. Boom. Up there. Be consistent. That's all it is with it. My last one, like I said, I know this is for teenagers. Some of y'all driving. Some of y'all are driving pretty early too, you feel me? I said, for a side hustle really, or if you driving for sure, and you don't have a job, and you just chilling probably, DoorDash or do Uber Eats, bro. I mean, it ain't much to it. You just go in the restaurants, picking up deliveries and dropping them off to somebody else. That's how I would say do it, you feel me? Ain't really too hard, ain't nothing too much, you really. What's the excuse really? My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. My camera had ran out of storage real quick. I had to delete something, and my camera actually finna die, so. But, like I was saying, if you are a teenager and you just, you're not trying to find a job, or you just got some extra free time, DoorDash, Uber Eats or something. It's honestly, I done did it before. Did a couple orders on there. It's not bad really. Go in there. I got free time sometimes. Do 2-3 orders. You can make $100 on there in like 2.5 hours really. I get some people saying put miles on your car, and it honestly really don't affect your gas tank. So, I don't know how my car pretty good on gas. It don't affect your gas.
Regular clipping not allowed, you gotta have a 50 plus it 30K up on the mission. I can't let you fuck it up. 100 shots up in the Tahoe truck, better watch where you buck. On my own security at my show, I got that prison talk.